How to log into Disney Plus account. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'm really excited to share with you all on the steps on how to log into your Disney Plus account. So the process of logging into your Disney account or the Disney Plus account may differ. So if you're aiming to access your Disney Plus account, make sure to follow the instructions in this video. Before delving into the steps, if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing to stay updated. So let's get started. The first step is to search for Disney Plus login into your search bar of your Google Chrome web browser and hit enter in your keyboard. This will display various and numerous websites, but you're supposed to click on the initial website that is indicating login Disney Plus. As soon as you click on it, you will be taken to this kind of interface over here. From this page, you are supposed to click on login option that is in the top right hand side corner of the screen. As soon as you click on it, you will again be directed to a login interface. Now here in this page, you are supposed to enter your email in order to continue. And if you don't have one, you will be prompted to create one. After you enter the correct form of your email address, click on the continue button that is highlighted in black color. And now choose a password for your account. And if you'd like to receive updates, special offers, and other information from Disney Plus, you can check on this button over here. Now click on agree and continue. A verification code will be sent to your email. Retrieve the code and enter it and proceed. And once this is done, you should be successfully logged into your Disney Plus account. It's a straightforward process, so I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you did, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next video.